Hi everybody, J&A Review, and today we're Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. All right, we've got another first for the channel. It is a 2026 Coachmen Clipper. This is their 6K series, model number 282 DORM. Dorm. That is a dorm. The length on this Clipper is 36 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 7,208 pounds with a hitch weight of 930 with a GVWR of 9,730. Yes. Okay, this one is, haven't seen something like this.
We have not seen anything like this. So we'll do a quick outside because, guys, it's cold out here today. It does have a power tongue jack. You do have your propane right there.
And if you like these videos that we're out here in 30-degree weather, give us that thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe.
There is 80% of people that watch our channel do not subscribe.
So we know you're lurking, so go ahead and subscribe.
Lurking.
All right, here's going to be one side of your pass-through storage. Now the pass-through storage on this one is not huge, but you do have some storage. Your dump area is going to be right here with your pull handles. Yeah, now this has got a little bit of a different slide system.
Well, I think it's like a rack and pinion.
It is, but it's going to be up above your frame.
Yeah.
Instead of going through it. So we're going to come back here and show you real close up there. We are right at the highway, so we've got lots of traffic today. This is going to be prepped for a backup camera and the Lippert ladder, and your spare is back here. We've got some more storage right here. And for those who like to travel with your pet, you can hook up your leash right there. Now this one is going to have 2 entries.
Hey.
And a little mini kitchen out here. So you do have a griddle.
That I can't. There it goes.
There we go.
Yeah.
And a little fridge. And then your quick connect is going to be right down here. Do we know the awning length on this one?
Yes, ma'am. Let's say it's 21.
21. So
21
it's
foot. actually
actually a pretty good size awning. And
tankless water heater.
right there. And here is going to be the other side of your pass-through storage. And that's where your stabilizers
Yeah.
are, the buttons for that. So I was actually wondering because I was looking at it going, I know it's got power stabilizers, I just couldn't see the buttons, so they're on the inside.
All right. Now this one's a little.
This is something that you haven't really seen yet. So yeah, 282 dorm. Get in here. Now I know you're probably thinking, well, no, we've seen this floor plan before. Well, now this part maybe. So we'll just go ahead and kind of hit the high points of this. Right here, you're going to have a jackknife.
And little storage, it falls down.
Well, it's magnets. So yeah, magnets hold that up. So yeah, this is a little jackknife. Got some cup holders there. Nice big U-shaped dinette. And of course, this will also make some additional sleeping. And they give you some storage cookies and cubes back in there. Now this is where on the outside, you know, we pointed out that the slide did not go through your frame, so because of that you are going to have a step up in here.
Yep.
Over it.
All right.
Here in the kitchen, this is going to give you a 12-volt compressor fridge. Your fuses are going to be down below it. Now you are going to have heating in the floor in this one.
I was trying to see what this was. It's a GE profile.
Ah, very
I haven't
nice.
seen those before.
Up here you're going to have a microwave with your hood range hood.
Good range.
And a 3-burner cooktop. Now there's no oven in this one, so You know, if you like to bake cookies, you're going to have to bring you a little toaster oven on this one. But you've got storage right there. You've got some drawers here. This is not solid surface countertop in here, but it does help keep some of the weight down. You do have some storage here underneath your sink. We're going to have a single basin sink here.
Did you see that?
Yes.
Okay.
And then some storage here that's going to go back in that corner right there. Back up so you can see your AC unit in here. And let me get up here and have a seat. So this is going to be, looks like a 40-inch TV.
All right, let's see. Yes, ma'am, it is.
They didn't give me a sticker on this one, so I couldn't even cheat on it. And then below that, you've got some open storage there. Great to put your remotes. And then right down here, some more storage. The heating is going to be in the floor in this one. And let's go ahead and grab this right here just as you come in the door. So this is going to double as either your pantry or if you want to add a washer dryer. Looks like a stackable would fit, or if you did a combo, you would still have some shelves up there for a pantry. Now, before we get to what makes this one particularly different, let's go ahead and show you the main bedroom.
Oh, wow.
Now, this is going to have a walk-through bath.
Oh,
Now, we know some people don't like these, but I'm going to tell you, this one is huge. You have got a massive mirror in here. Not a medicine cabinet behind it, but again, like I said, it's cold outside, so I've got
Fix my hair.
I don't know what's going on. It just is what it is today. You do have your sink here in the corner and a little bit of storage underneath. And then you've got all this open storage right here, which I'm afraid is where you may have to roll your towels and put them because there is not a designated linen closet in here. Oh. This is going to give you a plastic foot flush toilet, but you've got a vent right next to it, so that could be real toasty. And they give you a hook right up here. And let's close this door.
Well, I can't tell what I'm in. 32 by 32.
32 by 32. So yeah, it's going to give you a square shower. This one's going to have a shower curtain, but now if you wanted to put one of those retractable doors in there, you could add that. This is a fan.
A little bitty fan.
Yeah, but it gives you a little extra headroom up there. So Jeremy's 6 feet tall. So it's still, yeah, you can make it that. Now we can't give this one the plunger because there's not a designated linen closet, but this is actually a really nice size bathroom.
Yes, it is.
Now, you're going to go out of the bathroom into your main bedroom. This is going to give you hanging storage on both sides. And then you have some open space right across the top of the bed. This is going to be, this almost looks like a camp queen. I kind of think this may be a short queen.
Is this a short queen? Let's see.
Let's just see.
Yep,
Yes.
74.
Yes. You probably could put a full queen in here, but it is going to take up a little extra space. Got some storage right there. Again, heating is going to be in the floor. This one is going to have your second AC, and if you want to add a TV, it'll go right up here. But you do have a closet, so let me give you that.
Wow. Now, you have definitely got some closet storage right here. Wow.
Yes. And of course this is going to have a second entry door. We're hung up on the rug down there. So yeah, so you get an extra door in here, and I actually love that they did not put a window in that door. I have yet to figure out why they put a window in bedroom doors. That just does not make sense. All right, now what we have been waiting to show you, and this door is trying its best to come open, so I guess we'll start on this side. This is called the dorm for a reason. You have an open space up here, and then you have a bunk, down here with a window. And you have a desk that does fold up. If I'm not sure why you would want to fold it up, but
I am going to measure this bunk because we actually had a comment that said, "Oh, you measure TVs, but not the bunk."
mainly because the bunk is a bunk.
40 by 40 by 72. So it is a 6 foot long bunk.
So can't put very tall people in here, but if you have a kid that needs to work, do some homework, and then you've got some space under here. But hold on. If you look on this side, this door slides open, and then you've got almost the opposite. You have a bunk up here, which looks like it's going to be about the same size. You've got some storage back there in that corner. So he does have a ladder. There is actually some shoe storage down here. And then it is going to have a desk also.
And it flips up also.
Yes. So you can have an upper bunk or a lower bunk, and 300-pound weight limit on both bunks.
And we're going to measure this one.
Yeah, I think
Since
it may be bigger.
it's, well, no, the actual padding is just a little over 38 inches wide.
Okay.
With the length, yeah, 6 foot.
Okay, so yeah. If you have
So-
6.5-foot kids, they're gonna be squished up.
Well, that won't be bad here because he can stick his legs through that hole over there.
But yeah,
Wow.
hey, so yeah, if you have kids on the road and
Homeschool,
they need their own space, you have 2 spaces here. So
this is really neat.
this is a really interesting floor plan.
All right, everybody, if you like this Coachmen dorm, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, and I know you're watching, 80% watch our channel. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel.
Just push the button.
Push the button. All right, thanks, everybody.